Wow, what a shot. Great shot indeed there from Deepak. Ball running down to deep cover point boundary for 4 runs.
ये दोनों बल्लेबाज सेंसिबल क्रिकेट यहाँ पर अपनाते हुए ये गेंद चिप किया, इनफील्ड क्लियर करते हुए लॉन्ग ऑफ सीमा रेखा से बाहर 4 रनों के लिए। बस पास कोई विड्थ या कोई रूम प्रदान नहीं कर रहे हैं कि बल्लेबाज खुलकर स्ट्रोक्स यहाँ पर खेल सके। और एक बार फिर से ये गेंद, दिस टाइम pick the spot and get that one for a boundary.
Yes, it's out. Hold him round his legs, trying to play across the line.
16 to get. 13 remaining. Across the line of the delivery. What is it? The chance of run out in the last second and direct. It is gone. He is gone. Dixit has done a fantastic job. Bowling from the commentary box and wow, them clean him up. Look at the celebration.
Will won the bowler. 18 for the loss of 2 wickets. Angling it ball, beautifully played. That should be 1 ball sent to the fence. Beautifully struck across the line. That was that slog sweep. It was driven almost played along the surface. A lofted shot again. We have to wait and see if the fielder is enough time for the fielder to get that. Oh my goodness! It's a 6. He tried to take that catch. He had to cover a lot of ground.
Short run up. Excellent bowler. Right arm over the wicket. This time lofted down the deep backward score like boundary for 4 runs. The movement ball left the bat of Deepak, that ball, and went towards the deep fine like boundary for 4 runs. This time lofted handsome and clearing the ground into the crease out of the park. Bowling away from us. Right arm round the wicket. Improvisation. Oh my goodness. Clever. Absolutely clever. Intelligent cricket. Jugari Warriors defeated Kodikal Super Kings. This time lovely shot. Down flatter version. Can you believe that? By playing the reverse stroke.
बनाने के हर तरीके का प्रयास करते हुए बोल्ड आउट, शफलिंग अक्रॉस एंड ही गॉट द रीड। और जिस तरीके से इनके खिलाफ आने वाले गेंदों में ये गेंद इस बार अंदर की ओर आई और गेंद टकराई ऑफ स्टंप पर। आई थिंक
Inside out shot and he has been cleaned. Going for the inside out shot and he has been cleaned up.
That free hit delivery. Here is Fayaz. Dancing down the track. Lofted that one down to deep long on boundary for a boundary. That was really fun. Now Bashit facing Toif. Again, this time he got the placement right. I don't think the fielder will go into reach there. Ball running down to deep backward square.
तैयार गितेश दाइनातों पर द विकेट गेंदबाजी करते हुए अगेन ऑन साइड पर दिस इज एन क्लीन हिट एंड आई थिंक इट्स गॉन ऑल द वे। यस इट डज। गेंद के लाइन
Lofted shot, high up in the air. We have to wait and see. 2 fielders converging on the ball. 1 bounce. And that's 6. Across the line, beautiful play. That should be 4 runs. We have to wait and see. The long chase for the fielder. No way he's able to stop the ball. And enough legs on it.
अग्रसर होता हुआ जुगारी वॉरियर्स अगेन इस बार एब्सोल्युटली टेरिफिक। दिस इज एन आउटस्टैंडिंग कमबैक।
Drives it up his keeper save over the head of the fielder and shot mid-wicket region down to the boundary. She goes for 4 runs.
Now fall from the far end. Right arm over the wicket. Bashit coming across the line of the delivery. Handsomely driven. That ball is sailing into that. Here is in UCG kicking out. Lofted. Going and it's gone into the fence for a maximum.
करते हुए दाहिने हाथ के बल्लेबाज नौफल इस वक्त सामना करने के लिए तैयार। दीक्षित दाहिने हाथों पर द विकेट नौफल के लिए इस बार टॉप है जो विकेट कीपर के हाथों में गेंद और इसी के साथ नौफल की पारी समाप्त।
They won only 1 match of their 4 matches they have played. Across the line is been given leg before and Nikhil knew about it. Across the line as well as extra deliveries to their opponents. Officially paid straight down the again. That catch has been taken. One of the best catches we have seen. A running catch. Never at the batsman. Left a shot. We have to wait and see. The fielder trying to get under. Oh! The catch has been taken. Superb catch. And Nitin Ashwin who has taken the catch. On the boundary wall has been taken. Occupied. Again he has been cleaned up. That was a soft dismissal. He has been
हर्षद इस वक्त गेंदबाजी आगे बढ़ाते हुए ये गेंद, दिस इज अ क्लीन इट, आई थिंक सो, इट्स गॉन मिलियन माइल्स, इट्स अ बिग बल्लेबाज थे, इस वजह से वो पावर प्ले का फायदा नहीं उठा पाए। ये गेंद इस बार अश्विन ने गेंद को खूबसूरती के साथ उछाला है, गेंद जाती हुई डीप मिड विकेट सीमा रेखा से बाहर 4 रनों के लिए।
Lofted shot, oh, that was a bit off-field, and one ball, oh, that's a 6. That's a 6 for a moment. It looked like it would be one ball into the fence.
Correction, there is no deep extra cover. Harris balls. Right over the wicket. Barshit talks with the bat. This is the huge one.
The batsman was playing again, trying to play the reverse sweep. He's gone. Trying to play the.
देते तो इस वजह से वो ज्यादा प्रभावी हुए हैं बल्लेबाजों के ऊपर। ये गेंद इस बार चिपकी एनफील्ड क्लियर करते हुए खूबसूरत स्ट्रोक, लंबा सीमा रेखा से बाहर 4 रनों के लिए। और सुशांत दाहिने हाथ ओवर द विकेट गेंदबाजी करते हुए ये गेंद इस वक्त है, इस बार दिस इज गॉन ऑल द वे, इट्स अ बिग बासित स्ट्राइक इस वक्त लेते हुए बासित दाहिने हाथ ओवर द विकेट, ये गेंद इस वक्त बासित के लिए उछाला, सेट डाउन द ग्राउंड एंड ही फिनिश्ड द इनिंग्स इन अ स्टाइल विद अ 6।
Left arm over the wicket. Going for a cross by the shot and he picked it up. Going for a more cross. Delivers. Drives it up, obviously. There's no fielder out there. And the catch has been taken from that catch has been taken. The fielder running from short cover region.
Than that, the required run rate is going to be a big problem here for Jugare. Again, now ball him, clean him up. Ashwin once again showing his excellence. He is a magician. Live in YouTube, certainly they will going to enjoy this trophy. One of the most beautiful trophy, I will tell you, which is brought from a long way from Delhi. I think the ball, we can see that Kudla Premier League once again. It is going to be one of the special attraction of this cricket tournament.
ಈಗಾಗಲೇ SDC ವಾರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಗೂ HFC ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಈ ಎರಡು ತಂಡಗಳು 5 ದಿನಗಳ ಕಾದಾಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈನಲ್ ಪ್ರವೇಶವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಫೈನಲ್ ಟ್ರೋಫಿ ಯಾರ ಪಾಲಿಗೆ ಎನ್ನುವುದನ್ನ ಕಾದು ನೋಡುವಂತಹ ಹೊತ್ತು.
इस ग्रैंड फिनाले मैच में दाहिने हाथ राउंड द विकेट गेंदबाजी करते हुए ये गेंद स्वीप किया इस वक्त खूबसूरती के साथ बैकवर्ड स्क्वायर लेग की दिशा में 3 फील्डर गेंद का पीछा करते हुए लंबा दौड़ लगाने के बाद डीप बैकवर्ड स्क्वायर लेग पर जब तक इसको रोका जाता बल्लेबाज 3 रन के लिए दौड़ पड़े और 3 रन यहां पर पूर्ण कर चुके हैं।
Back to mid on. Here is the next one. Went for the reverse sweep. They got celebrated. They're celebrating here. They knows that captains takes a captain's. But the problem here is that they lost 4 wickets. Again, appeal for like one chance of here in the non-cycle end. But I want to see what could be the decision here.
करते हुए गेंदबाज है ये गेंद इस बार हल्के से गेंद ओह बेहतर एब्सोल्युटली प्लम इन फ्रंट। अगली गेंद पर क्या होता है? द प्रेशर इज नॉट बिल्डिंग अप ऑन बोथ साइड। हियर वी गो, ये गेंद करना के लिए ऑन साइड पर गेंद को बोला और इसी के साथ ये विकेट गिर चुका है। करना इज बैकिंग टू पवेलियन। सतीश
Absolutely, Gopi. Here we go. Left arm. Over the wicket. Down the track. Going for the big shot. Not more than a single. Even there is no single head. And yes, TC Warriors once again. Of course, there becomes HFC Indians have become the champions of Kudla Premier League Season 7, defeating STC Warriors in a thrilling victory. It's a victory of exactly that 4 runs. Look at the celebration here. Ashwin Taman is the man leading from the front, being the captain of the side. Fantastic job is done. Season 7. Now we are coming to the champions of Kudla Premier League 7. It goes to HFC Indians. HFC Indians are the champion of Kudla Premier League Season 7.